Hi friends, welcome to Funny Bunnies, where learning is fun and every hop is an adventure. Let's hop in and learn with us. Yay!
Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about American Sign Language common words. This is please.
This is please.
Please. Thank you. Mine.
Mine.
Your.
Your.
We.
We.
Me.
Me.
Home.
Home.
School.
School.
Morning.
Morning.
Night.
Night.
Drink.
Drink.
Eat.
Eat.
Ask.
Ask.
Understand.
Understand.
Sit.
Sit.
Love.
Love.
Show.
Show.
Give.
Give.
Sad.
Sad.
Happy.
Happy.
Again.
Again.
Wait.
Wait.
Look.
Look.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Evening.
Evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Run.
Run.
Sleep.
Sleep. Thanks for learning with us, friends. We will see you next time with more fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Funny Bunnies.